Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Figma file not loading issues in 2026. If your design file gets stuck loading, shows a blank screen, or refuses to open, this guide will help you solve the problem step by step. First, check your internet connection and make sure it is stable. Figma relies heavily on cloud services, so connection issues can prevent files from loading properly. Next, refresh the file page or restart the Figma desktop application. Temporary glitches can often be fixed with a simple restart. Now sign out of your Figma account and sign back in. This can refresh your session and resolve account-related loading issues. If you're using the web version, clear your browser cache and cookies. Corrupted browser data can interfere with file loading. Next, try opening the file in a different browser or an incognito window to determine whether the issue is browser-related. Now temporarily disable VPN services, proxy settings, or browser extensions that may block Figma resources from loading correctly. Next, make sure your browser or Figma desktop application is updated to the latest version available. If the file is very large, give it a few extra minutes to load completely, especially on slower internet connections. Now check whether other Figma files open normally. This can help identify whether the issue is specific to one file or affects your entire account. Finally, restart your device and try opening the file again after reconnecting to your account. And that's it, you've successfully fixed Figma file not loading issues. Your design files should now open properly and be ready for editing. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Hey everyone!